How to move objects against a wall with Airsled hover blades. This video is a part of Airsled Hoverblade's video series and will demonstrate how to safely move heavy objects that sit tightly against the wall. This 18-inch deep, 35-pound cabinet with 200 pounds of sandbags will demonstrate how to move heavy objects sitting against the wall. The Hoverblade's 36-inch long air beams significantly protrude from the front because they run into the wall during placement. The result is that the air beams will inflate more where there's least resistance, causing the load to pitch towards the wall, which could produce damage. If possible and safe, slide the load several inches away from the wall prior to using hoverblades, so that the air beams can extend past the rear. If pulling the load away from the wall is not an option, use a blanket to prevent wall scuffing and slowly move the load back several inches using the hoverblades. You can now reposition the air beams so they extend past the rear. With the air beams placed in a more optimal position, you can now easily and safely move this nearly 240-pound load. Remember, the air beam must be fully deflated to remove safely and avoid damaging the rubber fabric. Remember to always remove your shop vacuum's dust bag before hoverblade use, and clear all debris from the tank if using the vacuum without its filter. Airsled hoverblades naturally work with 2.5-inch blower ports. However, there are shop vacuum models with smaller blower ports which are incompatible with the Hoverblade's 60-inch lead hose. For those models, Airsled offers a universal iris adapter. Connect the shop vacuum's original hose to its blower port and use Airsled's universal iris adapter to attach the Hoverblade's kit. Reinforcing the adapter's locking mechanism with tape can prevent it from being pulled open during use. Learn more at airsled.com.